771, let's get going. So in const macros by system, in the K layout section, we have G12 constants. We have some diagrams here if you need them, and then we have this, which is monkey wrench macros down here. We have G12 0 to 11 inclusive, and we're converting things. So G12 converted to G12, G12 converted to G16, G12 converted to GCX, G12 converted to GCY, and right here the value of G12 is 11 for this last entry. And let's scroll down to the next section. So in data by system, we have the K layout data, and we're taking all of those constants and we're putting them in lookup tables. So G12 converted to G12, we have G12 converted to G16 with all these constants, we have G12 converted to GCX, all these constants, and then we have G12 converted to GCY, all of these constants. Okay, now if we scroll down a bit here, we'll have a little check here, graphic cell check. We're going to check all of those constants we created. So you can pause here to read these declarations. We're going to loop through every single G12 index, and we're going to grab all of the data using the lookup tables, then compute the expected G16 by using this formula that converts GCX, GCY to a one-dimensional index. We're going to use this pigeonhole principle here to get 12 set bits in a row if we do visit each G12 index. This is off-limits GCX, GCY. Don't touch them, they're fucking mip maps. These are the same off-limit cells, but as index. Don't fucking touch them, they're for the mip maps. Okay, so if the expected G12 is not equal to G12, or the expected G16 not equal to G16, we're going to throw an error because we failed our test. Also, the pigeonhole should be equal to 0xFFF, which is 12 set bits in a row. Down here in Pigtile, we have a little 1 here to make it easier to look at our graphics, and we have pig numbers 0 all the way up to 9. We're going to use these to stamp serial numbers on our placeholder graphics. We also want to stamp what color channel the graphic is encoded in. So we have ASCII R, ASCII G, ASCII B, and A for that. And then we have an empty graphic right here. And then we have a lookup table, D10 converted to our bitmap. So we have all 9 number bitmaps, and we have a checksum here, and that is all we did. So like and subscribe, send money in the mail. I don't have any more time, so like and subscribe. My name is Kanji Coder. I'm making a game engine from complete scratch. It's called Atomic Ivy MMO. It's a fully destructible fractal geometry proximity mine game. I'm open sourcing the engine. I'm documenting every single line of code. Like, subscribe, follow.